This video is going to explain how to use Solid Edge Draft module to produce engine drawing. You need to have a 3D part already created, for example, brushing. You also need to download the drawing templates from Cylon and save in the same folder. Once you have these files, after you start the Solid Edge, you go to Open. Find the folder where you have these drawing templates. If you cannot find the drawing template, you need to actually change the file here. So, old Solid Edge file. Then you find this one and click on Open. So you have these templates there. Then you can click on Fit. Then the drawing paper is here. From here, you can start to bring your part in to produce the drawings by click on this View Wizard. Here, you need to find the part you want to bring in. In this case, it's brushing. Just double click it. You'll see one view of the brushing. If that is not your front view, you can change your front view from here. Click on this drawing view layout. Click on the front view in this new window. Click on the custom. Here, you can change the views as your front view in this case. Then you click on close. Now you click on the front, click on the end view, and also you need to select another view as a much view. It depends on which way you like to look at, but for the brushing, it's the same. Then you can click on OK. Then you see the views. Before you click, you need to change the scale. It's too large. So we change to 1 to 2. Too small, we change to 2 to 1. It's about right. Then you can click to place your views on the drawing paper. After you click, you still can click and drag the view in a different position. Right. Once you've done that, the next is to place dimensions. First, we need to place center line here. Click on the command center line. Then move to the front view, click and click. It's your first center line, and then align to the center, click and click again. Another center line, then we click on align the center, click, create the vertical center line. Right. After that, you can start to place dimension to it. To do that, we need first to go to the styles, slightly change the styles of the dimension. Make sure it's dimension here. Click on ISO, click on modify. It just make your dimension looks nice if you use the horizontal here. Click OK. Click Save. You can change your styles by access its style function here. Next is to use the smart dimension to click on the inner circle, drag away, and click and fix the dimension. Outer circle, click, drag away, and click, fix the dimension. The distance between the here and here, we need to use distance between. So because we have chamfer here, we have to make sure we click on the right So that's not right. Right click. So we need to click on outer line here and there and drag away. So we have this thickness. In addition to that, we also need to do the dimensioning for the chamfer here. Because the chamfer is too small, so we have to use a detail view, which is here. So click and move to the corner and click and drag away and click again. Then you have a large circle. So you can place your detail view here or here. It depends on the space. Okay, if I place here, but it looks like still too small, right? Okay, so I can type in a large figure, for example, 5. Make it larger. Okay, then I click here. I leave some space in this area so as I can do the dimensioning. To add dimension to the chamfer, we need to use the command of distance between. On the chamfer, we need to have some text descriptions. Therefore, we need to use prefix and suffix box. In the prefix, we place a O chamfer and the suffix box times 45. Click on the green sign here. Click on OK. Now we can zoom in and click on one side, click on other side, and drag and click. Place the chamfer. So we now finish all the dimensions. But before we move on to complete the title block, we need to make sure everything are okay. For example, this data we need to move away. Make sure they are not crossed each other. Now we can move to complete the title block. To do that, we need to click on View and click on Background and click on Working. Then you are in the background. Just click on this Fit. On the background, you have to make sure you click on the A4 sheet here. Right. Then you can fill the boxes you like to fill. So it's A4, and for the scale, it's 2:1. For the joint name, it is brushing. Okay, if it looks like that, just click H and then drag it away. The tolerance not specified, just leave as it is. Date. '17th. Again, just click on age, drag it. Material. You can click and drag it before you type in thing. Still. Draw by. Just put your name there. Space here. Okay. O has to be a capital. Okay, file name. Your file name is same as your part name, and the part name is okay. The join number. You can name your own join number. If it's a first join, just say 001. So you now fill the title box, but you did that one on the background shape in order to see both the title box as well as the working shape drawing. You need to actually click on the working and click on the background, and you'll see everything's there. That's it for this video.